Hey guys, Leela's Tools here. Hope you all are having a great day. And today I'm bringing you guys another tool haul. First thing you might notice, a little bit of background noise. I do have the heater on. It's gotten cold as heck here again. We had some 80-kilometer-hour winds. It's like minus 25 now without the wind, so it's cold. So let's get right into it. First, I received a ratchet rebuild kit from good old Snappy Snap-on for this guy here. I'll be doing a video, probably the next video that comes out after this will be on doing the rebuild on this and going over that. So there's that. And this here is what I picked up yesterday from KMS Tools. We have a Gearwrench 6-point quarter-inch drive, 5.5 mil deep. Now my quarter-inch 6-point sockets are fully complete for metrics. So that's awesome. So here's that guy. Finally picked one of these up. I've been eyeing these for a long time. A lot of your HVAC and electrician guys have these. This is the Malco nut setter? I can't think right now. You guys know what it is. So what's so special about this is the magnet. Let me just quickly grab a standard nut setter bit for you guys. So here's a set I've been using for quite a while, and just take a look inside these guys. And I've cleaned these out multiple times, and these are just nasty. So what happens, I don't have one handy, but when you're putting these screws in, you're often using self-tappers and the like, and you're going in and it's cutting your thread and whatever, and the metal shavings goes everywhere, and it ends up getting caught in here. Then your next screw doesn't want to sit in here nice, gets wonky, you can end up stripping the head out. It's just not convenient. And these are really hard to clean out. You need a pick and some compressed air, but it's a pain. So this gives you two nut setters, your most common in one, a quarter and 5/16, and you can just pull this off here and clean this magnet off super easy like. So there's that guy. Very cool. And yeah, they finally have these at KMS Tools, about 15 bucks. It's not a cheap piece of kit, but it's quality. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe these are USA made. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, very nice. On Amazon, they're trying to charge an arm or leg for these things. They want over $30 Canadian. So definitely don't buy them off there. Pardon me. Next up, we have another Wera screwdriver. This is a 3.5 mil slotted with a laser tip, reduced cam out. I don't have a slotted this long in this size, and this is only about $5.50. Can't beat it. There all day, every day. Quality stuff, great price, and they do have a lifetime warranty, so there you go. And this is another thing, I hadn't seen these before, and I couldn't pass them up. This is a set of stubbies. And at first, looking at these, you might think there's 4, but there's actually 5. These are 25 bucks, so it's 5 bucks a driver. You get a Robertson number 1 and number 2, Phillips number 1 and number 2, and a slotted. Let's have a look. Well, these were in here real nice. Be a tool rebel. Let's just take a quick peek. Do have on the end, so if these are in your bag or whatnot. Very, very nice. These are color coded, your Robertsons. Here's your Phillips 1 and 2. Very, very nice. And lastly, your slotted. Very nice. And I didn't have quality stubbies, and they're not something you use every day, but sometimes they are an absolute must. And for the price of 5 bucks a piece, I thought it was an excellent deal. So there those guys are. Next up, my very first Milwaukee socket. KMS Tools is now carrying the entire line of individuals, quarter, 3/8, half, and 3/4 for impact, and I believe they have quarter, 3/8, and half in your chromes. metric standard, shallow deeps, lots of stuff. And these are China made professionally, apparently. But this is just one to complete the set right there, the 20 mil. And this was, I believe, only $9. It was cheaper than the Gearwrench, and the Gearwrench ones are also made in China, and they have the very, I'm not sure if they have them at Harbor Freight, but the Princess Auto style, where they're very shiny black oxide, like almost a paint, and they just don't feel nice. They're very slippery. And I was looking at these are, it's got the color ring. Yeah, I believe if you have the SAE, this is a white ring here. Correct me if I'm wrong. And you have your number in there. And that is, it's not laser etched, that's paint in there. So if this color wears out, you're still going to have a deep marking. If you can see, like on these sockets, this is very shallow stamping in comparison. That's just paint I put in there. So that guy can go right up on here. Look at that, isn't that nice? And last but certainly not least, we got another pair of Knipex cobras. And you're thinking, I have one of these already? I do. This is the 10-inch. This is the quick set. I already got into these things. I had to play with them. I've been looking at these for a long time. Normally 10-inch cobras run around $60 Canadian. These are on sale for $40. That price, I was not passing these up. So let me pull out the standard cobras here real quick. Just do a quick comparison. Always stuff right in front of my bottom drawer here where I keep my pliers. So, quick set on the right, standard on the left. Exactly same size, same draw profile. Everything looks pretty much the same, but if you look, it says teeth on both sides, it says teeth on one side. So, on the standard cobras, they don't go anywhere. You have to press your button, pull them down, and then they lock in. And that's it. That's it. It's locked. Okay? And with the quick set, what its claim to fame is, so watch this. Press the button, pull it down to the bottom, now watch this. Look at that. Ratchets back up. So, if you guys have the Cobra XS, the little tiny black EDC pair, they have the same feature just built in stock. But what this allows you to do, here's a piece of a pipe wrench, just for an example. So, we're coming in, okay? I can get the end of the pliers in here, but there's no real room to get my hand in here. Like it's no wider than this, let's just say. So I can come in, then push up on the pliers, get my grip, and then go to town. So that's one of the things I see a feature of these. Even your standard cobras are much better in confined spot than your standard water pump channel locks. But these are awesome. If you guys remember, I did kind of destroy the teeth back here on these. I'll let you know how these ones hold up. You see they're brand new. And also, you don't have to slide all the way up. So there, they're locked. Pull it all the way down. You don't have to pull it all the way down, but here I go up a little, and then I can just pull it back, and it locks. And if I go back down, you can see, take a little bit of fiddling to get used to it. There they are. And yeah, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like I said, snap-on ratchet rebuild video coming soon, and lots of other things coming soon. Maybe even some snap-on warranty stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and the like. Again, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take it easy.